Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by focusing on essentials and starting work now. Identify your critical functions first, those that keep revenue flowing and customers served. Once listed, assemble a small cross-functional team with clear roles: leader, IT, operations, HR, and communications. Then collect existing assets, contact lists, insurance policies, backups, and vendor contracts, because you'll need them to design realistic recovery steps. Make sure to set a short governance cadence, weekly check-ins, until the initial plan draft is ready. Now you move into the detailed middle work. Assess risks and design how recovery will happen. Perform a business impact analysis to set impact thresholds and assign RTOs and RPOs for each function, since those metrics drive priorities. Next, map dependencies, systems, vendors, people, and facilities, so you know failure chains. Then define practical recovery strategies like alternate sites, cloud backups, or manual workarounds. Choose cost-effective options that meet your RTOs. Once done, document decision rationales for leadership review. Finish by validating and institutionalizing the plan so it actually works when needed. Run layered tests, tabletop to validate assumptions, simulated failover for systems, and a full disaster recovery drill when possible. Train staff with role-based exercises and clear escalation paths, and make sure contact lists are current. Practice reduces panic. Once complete, schedule periodic reviews and update RTOs as the business changes. If tests uncover gaps, prioritize fixes by impact, then retest until confidence is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.